everyone, and welcome to News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. এবার ঘরে আনুন আরও বেশি খুশি টিভিএস জুপিটার উইথ এলইডি হেডল্যাম্প টেলিস্কোপিক সাসপেনশন এবং লার্জ অ্যালয় হুইলস মোবাইল চার্জার সঙ্গে 2 লিটার গ্লোব বক্স এক্স শোরুম দাম ৬৮,২০৯ টাকা থেকে শুরু। তাহলে দেরি কেন? চলে আসুন আমাদের শোরুমে। আমাদের শোরুম অ্যাড্রেস পিএসজে টিভিএস আসানসোল। মোবাইল নাম্বার 8695607709 এবং 180012339999। টিভিএস জুপিটার, বেশির ফায়দা। Liquor prohibition is in force in Bihar, but the administration seems to be falling to a great extent in curbing the trade of spurious liquor. Poisonous liquor has wreaked havoc on Diwali. After the death of 8 people in Gopalganj yesterday, bad news has come from Betia today. There also 8 people died after drinking spurious liquor, while many are fighting for life in the hospital after getting sick. The incident is being told of South Telua, village of Nauthan police station area. According to the information received, among the dead are people from ward number 2, 3 and 4 of the panchayat. According to the villagers, the people of the locality had drunk alcohol late on Wednesday evening. Shortly after drinking alcohol, everyone's health started deteriorating. All were hurriedly admitted to the nearest hospital. There was a stir due to the deaths of the people, one after the another. A total of 8 people had died so far. Admission open for session 2022-23 for classes 7 through 12 pass. And IIT JEE and NEET. Motion Durgapur Center. Durgapur Study Center, Motion Tower, UCP 22, Bengal Ambuja City Center. Our contact number 9434822278 and 8900100080. Motion Durgapur Center. In Surat, a man threw his minor son from the bridge into the river. It is being told that the father had taken his son on the pretext of getting firecrackers. The police arrested the accused and sent him to jail. A surprising case has come to light from Surat, Gujarat, where a man threw his minor son from the bridge into the river. It is being told that the father had taken his son on the pretext of the getting firecrackers. The accused father told the police that his son had fallen into the river while taking a selfie. When the truth came out, after investigation, the police arrested the accused. The accused has been sent to jail. This case is being told of Nanpura area of Surat. The accused Zakir Shahid Sheikh had taken his son to the Makai bridge on the Tapi village river on 31st of October, and from there he pushed his son into the river. After this, to mislead everyone, he raised an alarm that his son had fallen into the river. The people present on the spot called it the police and fire department and called for the help. After a lot of effort, the child body was pulled out. Physiotherapy clinic for both male and female. Used machineries for UST, IFT, TNS, MS, shortwave deep heat, wax bath, infrared lamp, etc. Our address: Sripalli JK Roy Shoroni, Rupam Building, Asansol, near Upendranath High School. Our contact number 7047456855. Among the veiled Kali Pujas across the state, preparations of Badi Kali Puja, the mother of Mautod of Purulia, are in the final stage. Kali Puja bar on Wednesday and Thursday. Worship of Ma Kali, it is being organized everywhere, but many devotees in the district and even in the neighboring state of Jharkhand are eyeing Badi Kali Puja, the mother of Mautod. It is famous in the state and it is counted as the biggest worship in Purulia district. Sacrifice is a feature of this Kali Puja, which is even bigger than that. Here the sacrifice starts from the night of worship, which continues till noon the next day. Also in this Kali temple of Mautod, goats, sheep and offered to the mother throughout the year. According to the legends, the worship here was started by the hand of the devotee Shobharam Bandyopadhyay. Many years ago, a new way was built on the lines of Kalighat temple in the form of Kali temple of Mautod village. This time, it is going to get another dimension. The temple has been renovated on the joint initiative of Mautod Sola Ana and Mahotsav Samiti and Village Youth Association. According to the legends, devotees not only from the district but also from neighboring districts of the neighboring state of Jharkhand come here to perform this puja. Step in Abhinav Gini House at Ken Mukherjee Lane, Asansol. We deals diamond, gems and stones, gold hallmarked jewelries, silver items and utensils, zodiac powered items. Our contact number 9933 990 442 and 0341 23 Abhinav Gini House. Apnar Rupkotha. One more feather was added to crown of Asansol District and Super Speciality Hospital after a long treatment. The CT scan machine was installed at the District Super Speciality Hospital. According to the hospital sources, the trial run of the CT scan unit was started from November. Dr. Nikhil Chandra Das, superintendent of the district hospital, said that all the patients admitted in the Super Speciality Hospital are undergoing CT scan. The trial will continue like this for the next few days. A team from the State Health Department will visit the district hospital on November 11 or 12. We will officially launch this unit at the end of the second week as soon as they see everything and give the green signal. Super said that for a long time there were a demand for launching CT scan unit. Malay Ghatok, the chairman of the hospital, Patient Welfare Association and Minister of the State for Law and Works has cooperated in launching the unit. Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832-824-975. Mamata Banerjee is considered as an idol of Ma Durga, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi is reversed as Lord Shankar. Apart from this, Krishna Prasad said that he also wants to build a grand temple at every place for Silpanchal adorable mother, Ghagarburi and her other 6 sisters. People around Prabhu Chhat Ghat had suffered a lot due to the devastation in the entire Asansol as well as Kanla area in the last September floods. Especially the way of their arrival was broken. Krishna Prasad announced that this road would be made before the Chhat.
माँ घाघरबुड़ी मंदिर के पुजारी जी से आग्रह किया कि मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि 7 बहनें माता की कहाँ है। तो उन्होंने बताया कि एक ये माँ घाघरबुड़ी आप देख रहे हैं, बाकी इसी एरिया में 6 बहनें और हैं। एक भाई जो बीरभूम में है, हमने संकल्प लिया कि जो भी जरूरत होगा उनको हमने बोला कि 7 बहन को हमको बायोडाटा दीजिए। मेरे तरफ से मेरे जो भी क्षमता है मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो 7 तीर्थ स्थल बने। मैं यहाँ के आवाम जनता से सबसे पहले मैं सरकार से अनुरोध करूंगा, निवेदन करूंगा सरकार से कि इस तरह का जो भी है उनसे मदद मांगूंगा। हमारे मंत्री महोदय मलय घटक दादा से भी मदद मांगूंगा, उनको लेकर के भी मैं जाऊंगा। आदरणीय हमारे सभी के पूरे पश्चिम बंगाल की आदरणीय दीदी ममता बनर्जी दीदी से, आप जानते हैं बड़ी दीदी अब बड़ी भाभी माँ का रूप होता है, तो उस माँ से मैं जा करके मुलैदा के साथ में यहाँ के बारे में बताऊंगा और मेरे तरफ से जो होगा मैं चाहता हूँ पूरे शिल्पांचल के लिए वो जो 7 बहनें जिसमें हम लोग एक प्रत्यक्ष देख पा रहे हैं, एक बहन को, बाकी जो 6 बहनें हैं उनको हम लोग पूरे भव्य तरीके से उस मंदिर को बनाना चाहता हूं। मैं सरकार से भी अनुरोध करूंगा, सरकार का भी मदद लूंगा, हमारे बड़े भाई मौलाना से भी मदद लूंगा। और जो मैं विशेष बात बताना चाहता हूं, आप कि इस घाट को मैं चाहता हूं, मेरी पूरी टीम चाहती है पूरे शिल्पांचल के लिए, क्योंकि ये प्रभु छठ घाट, कल्ला घाट और आप जानते हैं रामकृष्ण डांगाल के पूरे धतका का तपसी जो घाट है, मैं चाहता हूं पूरे मैं शंकर भगवान के रूप में पूजता हूं। आप यकीन करें, पूजा रूम में चले, आप आकर के देखेंगे कि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को मैं शंकर भगवान के रूप में पूजता हूं। तो एक तरफ माँ दुर्गा, एक तरफ माँ भगवान शंकर, तो मैं दोनों से निवेदन करूंगा कि आवाज वहां तक पहुंचे, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी तक, आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी तक। मैं स्वयं आदरणीय मौलाई घटक जी को, मेरे बड़े भाई, हम लोग के पूरे शिल्पांचल के बड़े भाई, पूरे बंगाल के बड़े भाई, वो सीनियर नेता को लेकर के मैं स्वयं पूरे टीम ली क्लब के, मैं तो बोलूंगा शिल्पांचल के भी कुछ विशेष लोग आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी पास जाएंगे, जाकर के प्रस्ताव देंगे, हे माँ दुर्गा, हे माँ, हे बड़ी दीदी ममता दीदी, हम लोग इसको पर्यटक स्थल बनाना चाहते हैं, 3 किलोमीटर से संस्कार करना चाहते हैं। ये अद्भुत नजारा होगा। आप सोच नहीं सकते हैं, प्रभु छठ घाट, तपसी बाबा छठ घाट और कल्ला अंबेडकर घाट, ये जो 3 किलोमीटर का दायरा होगा, हम लोग यहाँ के अनुभूति कर पाएंगे, यहाँ पे देख पाएंगे कि हम लोग 4 धाम में आ गए। मैं इस तरह का बनाना चाहता हूँ। मेरी टीम, मेरा अंतरात्मा, आपको मैं यकीन के साथ बोलता हूँ, माँ गंगा माँ है, छठ माँ का सभी भक्त है। मैं बड़ी प्रेम से, मैं छठी माँ का कसम खा के बोलता हूँ, गंगा मैया का सौगंध खा के बोलता हूँ कि मेरा मन में ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में ये सब भाव आता है। आप यकीन करिएगा, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में हमें कल क्या करना है, अचानक मेरे ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में ये भाव आता है कि ये करना है। मैं बगैर सोचे हुए समझे हुए मैं उस काम में दौड़ पड़ता हूं। आप सोच नहीं सकते, आज जो ऋषिकेश हम गए थे, ये अचानक प्रोग्राम था, 3 साल पहले की बात था, लेकिन अचानक प्रोग्राम था। तो मैं मेरे बर्धमान डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, पूरे पश्चिम बर्धमान में प्रत्येक श्रद्धालु में 1,01,000 उस छठवर्ती उस परिवार को वितरण करना था, लेकिन किसी कारणवश 3 साल जो मेरा पुराना संकल्प नहीं हो पाया। लेकिन जब ये आपदा आया, रात में आप यकीन करें, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में माँ का एक आभास होता है, छठी मैया का, गंगा मैया का, अचानक मेरा प्रोग्राम बनता है और मैं निकल पड़ता हूँ वो ऋषिकेश धाम, वो हरिद्वार धाम, वो तपोभूमि, वो देवभूमि के जहां से गंगा माता का अमृत लेकर के यहाँ पे शिल्पांचल में लेकर आया हूँ। लाने का मेरा यही मतलब था कि हमारे शिल्पांचल वासी को माता शक्ति दे, उनका सुख समृद्धि दे, निरोग हो, इसलिए लेकर के आया हूँ। इस प्रभु छठ घाट में जितने भी श्रद्धालु रहेंगे, उनको हम लोग अभी 11,000 श्रद्धालु को वितरण करेंगे गंगा अमृत। ये गंगा अमृत लेकर आया हूँ, माँ को लेकर आया हूँ, ये प्रभु छठ घाट में लेकर आया हूँ। तो यहाँ पे जितने भी श्रद्धालु रहेंगे, अंबेडकर क्लब, अली क्लब की तरफ कल्ला घाट और प्रभु छठ घाट में जितने भी श्रद्धालु माताएं बहन, सभी को ये गंगा अमृत वितरण किया जाएगा। वहाँ पे जब हमने गया,
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11, 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honors and Program, Computer Science plus Application Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079. The boom of firecrackers has begun as Deepavali celebrations kick in. Many traders have also acknowledged a rise in sales. But amidst the push for green crackers, questions are being raised about whether they really are the best alternatives to existing versions when it comes to reducing the harm to humans and the environment. Madhusudhan Anand, the CTO and the co-founder Ambi, which supplies Hyperlocal data on environmental factors in real time across the globe said the green crackers are low emission crackers free from harmful chemicals like sulfur nitrates, arsenic, magnesium, sodium, lead, and barium. Not a safe replacement. They are not completely free but are significantly less pollutive as compared to regular firecrackers. Their efficacy are determined by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and as for today, green crackers can only reduce emissions by up to 30% in comparison to regular ones. They are not a dependable and safer replacement to regular firecrackers, but they are only a low emission and less harmful alternative. Biofina wishes you all a happy Diwali. Light up diyas, not firecrackers. Wish you a very, very happy and safe Diwali. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. India recorded its lowest daily COVID cases in 250 days today, with the country reporting 10,423 cases, which is also 16% lower than yesterday. The country witnessed 443 related deaths during the period. Active cases amount for 0.45% of total cases. 368 of the 443 deaths in the country were reported from Kerala, where 32,449 people died so far. The southern state also contributed 5,297 fresh cases, pushing the case rate to 49,73,954. The government decision to cut petrol and diesel price after weeks of steady hikes has produced a sarcastic swipe from Congress MP P. Chidambaram, who linked it to the ruling BJP's defeats in by-polls held last week for 3 Lok Sabhas and 30 assembly seats. Mr. Chidambaram called it the fuel pass cuts a byproduct of by-elections and said it confirms his party's position. The skyrocketing petrol and diesel prices were the result of high taxes, and that is the high taxes were the result of the greed of the central government. Of the moment, an essential aspect of creativity is not being afraid to fall. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.